This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The air cleaner assembly is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Undo the 4 screws and lift the filter cover upwards. Remove the filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the housing. Manoeuvre the new filter element into the housing, ensuring the lug at the left-hand end of the filter engages correctly with the slot in the housing. Lower the cover into place, ensuring it seats correctly. Tighten the filter cover screws securely.